This is a Synergy tutorial on how to take attendance for all of your students. If you get a little notice up at the screen for the seating chart, there are students not assigned. You want to make sure that one, you have enough seats for the students. So you have to adjust the seating chart dimension to make sure there's enough seats. And then you just add the students into it and save that seating chart. So again, if you get that little notice up at the top, make sure that you edit, make sure there's enough seats, and then add them. If you have a custom seating chart, make sure there's enough chairs for your students. So again, you're going to have that little notice that says there are students unassigned. Go ahead and make sure you have chairs, add the students, and then save that seating chart so that all of the students are visible when you take attendance during your seating chart. If you have a student aid, make sure that student is visible in your list, and you'll notice that there's that little class and it's not checked. So edit the class and check for that student aid and save so that that student aid is going to show up on your list for attendance.